Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito nga, mag-unboxing tayo nitong TGIN 3-in-1 oven, air fryer, and steamer. Pinadalan nga nila ako to try this product. Ayan na, ayaw lumabas guys, ang tigas. At hindi siya mabigat in fairness ha. Ayan, closer look bago natin totally buksan ito. Ayan. Sobrang well protected yung packing, secure siya. So alam mong safe yung product na in-order mo. So, itong dumpling na to, i-steam natin siya doon mamaya. Yan. Ayan, ang sarap na niyang tingnan, guys. Nakakaaliw. Ayan na, guys. Natanggal ko na yung plastic niya. Tinabi namin siya sa aming microwave. So, perfect talaga yung position niya dito. So, ayan. I will show you. Eto, may tatlo siyang dito, may tatlo siyang item. This is a grilling net. Eto, pang salo ng mga dip, yung mga oil dip. Pwede rin naman siyang gamitin for whatever purpose you need to do or use. And ito is a grilling tray. At syempre meron tayo nito para hindi tayo mapaso. I love this because this is 3-in-1. You can actually oven a food, steam, kaya meron ditong tank. This is water tank. Pag mag-i-steam, lalagyan ng water dyan. And pwede din tayo mag-air fryer dito, kaya siya 3-in-1. Uulitin ko, it's 3-in-1, air fryer, oven, and steamer. O, diba? Perfect. Yan. Now, nag-air fry tayo ng French fries. So, 10 minutes muna. And then 200 degrees. Ayan. Ayan, next agad ang pag-oven ng pizza na ito. Ang sarap. Excited na ang kumain. I'm using this as oven. Ilawan natin. Ito yung pizza ko. Tapos naka 200 degrees ako. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayun, lumabas. Yan. Tamang-tama yung isang pizza. Actually, kung may tray pa, I'm not sure kung pwedeng dalawa ilagay, but nilagay ko isa lang. Yan, nakikita nyo yung cheese. Nagme-melt na. Ang sarap. Ang saya ng brand na to, ha. Ayan, guys. Meron tayong homemade dumplings. Ito yung next kong iluluto. I-steam natin. Itatry natin doon. Sa 3-in-1 oven, air fryer, and steamer. Naglagay tayo ng tubig dito sa water tank through here. At ayan, nag-i-steam tayo ng dumplings. Sarap. Yan, guys. Ito yung temp. Ito yung timer at temp. 8 minutes na lang. Nakikita nyo, nag-i-steam siya. Pwede din siopaw dito. Anything na pwede ma-steam pwede. Basta kasya. Ito na ang meal of the day. French fries, steamed dumplings, at ang thin pizza na in-oven natin. Ito na nga siya. After 3 months, I think more than 3 months of using this oven, I have decided to share a review. So, ito yung masasabi ko. This 3-in-1 oven that you can use for air frying oven or steaming of food, very convenient talaga siya and it's so easy to use. Okay naman yung quality niya. Sa presyo niya kasi it's affordable naman and it's available in Shopee, available din to sa Lazada, guys. And what I can say is kung family kayo, I don't recommend you to have this one dahil talagang hindi siya spacious. So, this is for OFW na mag-isa or a couple like me. Mag-isa lang naman ako or couple pwede rin naman. Kasi eto nga, kunwari, you have to oven at a food. So, either single or double lang ang magagawa nyo. At medyo maliit siya. So nakita nyo naman siguro yung pizza na niluto ko. So, ayun yung size niya. Yung isang 8-inch or 10-inch pizza, pwedeng magkasya dito. You can oven at least 2 of that at once. So, kung family kayo, I don't recommend this size. But medyo maliit talaga siya. So, ayun guys. But generally speaking, okay talaga to para sa mga single OFW or couple. Instead of buying like, kasi ako bumili din ako nito, ito. I have an air fryer. So, yan. Tapos, may ganito pa ako kasi nauna yung air fryer. But actually, kung wala akong air fryer na nabili previously, okay na to. Kasi pwedeng air fryer, pwedeng oven, and pwede din siyang steamer. So, it's really good. A 3-in-1, good deal, good buy na item for the kitchen. And very perfect sa mga busy tao na walang time to really cook. You know, yung talagang religiously cook. Pwede na, pasok-pasok nyo na lang yung i-steam nyo or i-air fryer nyo, you know, it's very convenient to use. So, I hope nakatulong yung review na to for you to decide. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye!